welcome His Holiness Bhakti Vigna Narasimha Maharaj to deliver his blessing speech for our completion of 12 years anniversary of Krishna Balaram Indian Arts and Cultural Society.
Maharaj அவர்களுக்கு மாலை அணிவித்து சிறப்பிக்க His Grace நாராயண பிரபு அவர்களை அன்போடு அழைக்கின்றோம்.
Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Narane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shanyavadi Paschachate Shatarine. So, dear devotees, dear friends of the society, thank you very much for coming and gathering here in celebration of this 12th anniversary of our Krishna Center here in Melaka. Melaka is an important city, very important place in Malaysia, and it's very famous for being heritage city. It's full of culture. So our Krishna consciousness movement also likes very much to present culture and promote culture. We need to have culture in this modern age where we're very much based on technology, and we tend to forget about the values of life, the importance of values. So the Krishna consciousness movement is trying to educate people and encourage people in keeping up values in their daily life. The boat festival is another attempt to try to recreate some mood of the holy places. Just like if you go to a holy place like Vrindavan, there's the Yamuna River, and in connection with Lord Krishna, there were pastimes with the boat on the Yamuna River. Lord Krishna would enjoy his dealings with his devotees. So similarly today, we had a boat festival. We had the opportunity to go down the river in the boats, and we enjoyed sailing, and at the same time, we were performing Sankirtan, the distribution of the holy names. So all the people who are along the banks of the river, they had the opportunity to hear the chanting of the holy names. And the chanting of the names, very powerful and very enlivening for people to hear. Even though they do not understand or know anything about what we're doing, but still the effect is there, that it's very potent, very powerful, and very purifying. So we want to encourage the world in this way. We want to show people how we can be happy, singing and dancing and remembering our spiritual purpose in life. Life is short in this modern age. We don't have very long life. We want to take advantage of our time here to use it for our spiritual benefit. So this is important for all of us. We take part in these activities to develop our spiritual life. Material life is also there, is also important. We don't neglect the material life, but at the same time, we must also give the proper importance to spiritual life and the progress, the attempt for self-realization, to awaken an understanding of our spiritual being. So we feel fortunate that we're able to come here today and present this program going down the river. So many of you have gathered together. It's a wonderful gathering to see so many people come and take part. So thank all of you very much for your participation, and please continue. Please come regularly and take part. We do have many festivals and many different activities throughout the year, and so we do need more volunteers. We're a volunteer organization. I'm a volunteer, and I encourage all of you also, try to volunteer yourself. Come forward and help us to organize more and more programs and try to do some good, try to promote the spiritual culture. So thank you all very much. Hare Krishna.